Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Dispute Beast. So if you don't know what they are the most advanced AI financial app ever created, stated by them. So as you can see, millions endure a struggle due to poor credit scores. You can avoid that by using disputebeast.com, so that is what they claim. So they offer financial overview and scores from all three bureaus, an AI engine that does all the heavy lifting for you. And as you can see, there are a lot of testimonies here on their site. So if you go over here to Trustpilot, as you can see, they're also rated 4.2 out of 5 stars over the 120 reviews. So let's see all the reviews here. So as you can see, the whole process was pretty quick and easy. Actually see some results after blah blah blah, 7 years. So as you can see, some reviews are rated 1 star, stating that they're one waste of time. However, those are only 12% out of the 75% that they were reviewed for. So 185 score increase in 3 months, and they actually replied from this. So their credit score went up to 136. So they're actually active on this, so they're actually replying to the reviews here. So they seem to be pretty legit. They can help you with your credit score, and their site seems to be legit also. So yeah, that is it. That is your review on disputebeast.com. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.